In this video, we're gonna go over using the standard deviation in Excel and how we can use the function standard deviation to calculate the standard deviation for our sample and also for our population. So if you can see, we have two functions, one that is standard deviation dot s, which is for the sample of your data, or dot p is for the population, the original population of your data. Okay, so and of course they will be a little bit slightly different because you're taking sample and not the complete population. So let us start looking at the simulation.
To calculate standard deviation when only a sample of the data is available, on the Formulas tab in the Function Library group, click the More Functions button, point to Statistical, and select stdev.s. In the number 1 argument box, enter the cell range or named range for the sample data. Click OK. To calculate standard deviation using the entire data population, on the Formulas tab in the Function Library group, click the More Functions button, point to Statistical, and select stdev.p. In the number 1 argument box, enter the cell range or named range for the data. Click OK.
So as you have noticed, we used the same cells for calculating the standard deviation, the same numbers from C2 to C22, so from the second row to the row 22 in this data. and the same for the population. However, we got two different numbers, so it takes under consideration that we are taking a sample from those numbers and not the complete numbers. Okay, that's why we got different numbers.